How to start a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel can be an exciting venture, whether you want to share your passions, showcase your talents, or connect with an audience. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Point 1. Define your niche. Decide on the focus of your channel. Choose a subject that you're passionate about and knowledgeable in, whether it's gaming, cooking, travel, beauty, or education. Having a clear niche will help you attract a specific audience. Tint 2. Create a Google account. To start a YouTube channel, you need a Google account. If you don't already have one, go to the Google sign-up page and create an account. Once you have an account, go to YouTube and sign in. 3. Set up your channel. Create your channel. Click on your user icon in the top right corner, then select Your Channel. Follow the prompts to create your channel. Channel name. Choose a channel name that reflects your content and is easy to remember. Profile, image, and banner. Use a profile picture and a banner that represent your brand. Tools like Canva can help you design these graphics. 4. Plan your content. Think about the types of videos you want to create. Consider making a content calendar to keep your posting schedule organized. Here are some video ideas: tutorials or how-to videos, vlogs about your daily life or experiences, reviews or unboxings, Q&A sessions or challenges, collaborations with other YouTubers. Start 5. Invest in equipment. While you can start with just a smartphone for filming, having decent equipment can enhance your video quality. Consider investing in a good camera or smartphone, a tripod for stability, microphone for clear audio, lighting equipment for better visibility. 6. Create and edit your videos. Filming. Write a script or outline to ensure you cover all your points. Keep your videos engaging by being authentic and energetic. Editing. Use video editing software to polish your videos. Programs like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or free options like DaVinci Resolve can help you edit your footage effectively. Add music, graphics, and text to enhance your videos. 7. Optimize for SEO to help people find your videos. Use keywords relevant to your content in the video title, description, and tags. Create engaging thumbnails that capture attention and encourage viewers to click. 8. Promote your channel. Share your videos on social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook to reach a wider audience. Engage with your viewers by responding to comments and asking for feedback. 9. Monitor your analytics. Keep an eye on your YouTube analytics to see how your videos are performing. Understanding what works and what doesn't will help you refine your content strategy. 10. Stay consistent and patient. Building a YouTube channel takes time and dedication. Consistency is key. Try to upload videos regularly so your subscribers know when to expect new content. Be patient, stay motivated, and continue learning as you grow. By following these steps, you can establish a YouTube channel that not only reflects your interests, but also engages viewers and builds a community. Good luck on your YouTube journey.